Hi there, I'm Janine. Here's a quick little routine, 3 exercises that you can do just using the back of the couch or a chair. It's going to tone up your hips, bums and thighs. So you're going to turn, face your chair or your couch like me. It's going to fold over. Go to a small V with those feet. Your hips are over your ankles. Should be in a nice flat position. Draw the abdominals up. From here, we're just going to take the right leg behind. So it's a barre-inspired exercise. I'm actually pulling with my left, pushing with my right, and we're just going to lift and tap. Lift and tap. Lift and tap. Good, you got 4 more. You're really elongating out of the hip. Good work. Abdominals are drawing up. Let's do 8 more here. 8 and 7 and 6 and 5 and 4. Try and keep those hips as square as possible to the floor. 2, 1. Hold it up there. We're going to pulse it for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 8 more because 8's never enough. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to cross and lift straight back. Cross and lift straight back. This is giving you that beautiful round peachy shape for your bottom. 4 more. 3, 2, 1. Let's do 8 more. 8, 7. Keep reaching long. Draw those abs up. Shoulders down away from the ears. 4, 3, 2. Last one. Just go forward into a stretch. Send the hips forward. Get that nice upright stretch. Resist the couch. I'm in the beautiful Daintree. So I'm at a place called Thornton Beach in far north Queensland. Let's do the other side. So flattening out, draw those abdominals up. You're going to lift and tap. Your hip is over your ankle. Try and keep those hips as square as possible. Reaching out long. Good, it's a full body exercise. Maintaining that position. 8 more here. 7, 6, reach those legs long. 4, 3, 2. Now we're just going to pulse it 2 lots of 8 counts. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 8 more. Really reach the leg long. The legs are straight. Draw up around those kneecaps. And then we're going to cross and lengthen back. Cross and lengthen. Keep going. Abs are pulling up. Keep reaching away from the chair or the couch, whatever you're using. It's a great exercise. Let's do 8 more that you can get in really quickly. And it's very effective. Last 2. Good work. Leg goes forward. Going into that stretch. Oh, I already got my heart rate up. Just trying to maintain that position. And then standing up, we're just going to pull back. Have a nice stretch through here from the crown of the head to the tail down the back of the legs. Here we up. Give it a go. You'll love it.